Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a video about Poshmark, and I know I said in my last video about Macari that I wasn't too into Poshmark, but things have changed and I love selling on Poshmark now. So for those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Lexus. I like to sell clothing online and yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, so I just have my computer open with my sales, and I'm going to be showing you guys like somewhere on the side of the screen what each sale looks like and how much I sold it for. So spoiler alert, I don't have like 1,000 sales to show you guys, but I do have a good amount of sales. So I'm going to go over how much I paid for the item, where I got the item from, and how much it sold for, and whether or not I did discounted shipping or some sort of deal on it. So let's get started. Okay, so the first item that sold was this like new Calvin Klein simple no sleeve suit dress. Now I sold this for $15, and that price may seem a little bit low for a dress like this, but I did thrift it about 3 months ago, and I did only pay $2.50 for it on Salvation Army 50% off day. I love Salvation Army. They have really affordable clothing, and every Wednesday they do a sale where the entire store, aside from one color of their choosing, is 50% off. So if you have a Salvation Army in your area, definitely check it out. Definitely check out their 50% off day, and yeah. Okay, so the next sale after the Calvin Klein dress was this gray and silver swimsuit that I did buy as a sample from a wholesale website. So I didn't pay too much for it. I don't remember exactly how much I paid, but I did sell it for $9 because I had it for a few months, and I was eager to let go of that inventory to make room for new inventory. So that was sold for $9, no discounted shipping or anything like that. Someone just offered $9 and I took it. The next sale is the same thing, $9, American Eagle Super Stretch Jegging. Now I got these again from Salvation Army for $1.99 plus 50% off, so I got these for $1. The buyer offered $9 and I accepted just because I did have these lying around for a while. So a couple of the Friday sales that I have, they were things that I were trying to get rid of. I was sending out lots of offers that day, lots of inventory that I was just like eager to get out of my closet so that I can make room for new inventory. So again, a t-shirt that I bought for $2, sold it for $6. It's a Nickelodeon splat crop top. It's actually a very cute crop top. I was thinking of keeping it for myself, but I figured why not give it to someone who would probably appreciate it better. The next item that I have is this army green chest window tunic. This one I believe I paid $3 to $5 for. It was another wholesale sample that I purchased, and the buyer offered $10. I was happy to let it move. I had this one for about 6 months laying around. So I just want to say that my Poshmark closet has been gathering a lot of momentum, but in the beginning I wasn't getting as many sales as I wanted. I was playing around with wholesale and thrifting at the same time. So if you're ever feeling discouraged, just keep going, keep pushing, and eventually those sales will come your way. So the next thing that I sold was this Coach purse with a Coach wallet. Now the Coach wallet I've had since high school, so it was my personal one. I didn't want it anymore, so I gave it away for free with this Coach purse that I had thrifted for $3. Again, this Coach purse was sitting for a couple months, another Friday sale. The buyer offered $10. I let it go. I made $7, so $4 in profit on that sale. Not too bad, but not the best. So now we're getting into the better sales. So this was on Saturday. So next I have this Brandy Melville bundle. Now these pieces, I got them each at the bins, and if you don't know what the bins are, they are basically the Goodwill outlet. So I live very close to New York, and I take the train into the city and I go to the bins. So what they do is they charge per pound for clothing. Now these were very tiny shirts. It's $1.89 per pound, and I don't even think these shirts were half a pound. So I probably paid maybe 50 to 75 cents each. So even if I paid $1.25 in total, I still sold these for $12 for the bundle. So that's about $8 in profit. Pretty decent. The next item was my best sale of the weekend. It was the Steve Madden kidney sandals. Now these were in almost new condition. They did have some staining and I did clean them up a bit, but the toe pads were in excellent condition. There wasn't too many like grease stains or anything like that on the foot pad area. And again, I got these from the bin, so these weighed about 2 pounds, a little bit less, so I paid about $3 for them. I sold them for $45. So in profit, I take home $33, including the cost of the shoe. So $33 in profit off of one item that I got from the bins. And I did my research on these shoes. They were actually very sought after. I think there was 5 sales on this exact pair in the last day or something like that. So look out for those like one of a kind, like items that people are really looking for. So the next thing that I sold was this torrid champagne sleeveless blouse. Now this was a sale that I kind of let go, kind of didn't. I got this for $1.99 plus 50% off, so $1. And I ended up selling it for $8. So I take home $4 in profit off of that sale. Not too bad, but again, not the best. Okay, so the next sale that I have to show you guys is this Zara blazer that I thrifted from the Salvation Army. Now this was $5 plus 50% off, so I paid $2.50 for it. It was in almost new condition, so there was no stains, wrinkles, pilling, anything like that on this blazer. It was in really good shape. So I immediately listed it the day that I got it, and someone had offered me $25 for it. I had it listed for $35. Someone offered me $25. I thought that was very reasonable, so I took the offer. That's $20 minus the $2.50 that I paid for it, so I make a $17.50 profit off of that blazer. The next sale that I made was a bundle of a couple of t-shirts that I picked up at the Salvation Army for $1 a piece. The first t-shirt was an Ivory Ella tank top. I thought it was so cute. It just had one stain on it, so I had to discount it pretty heavily. And a Lucky Brand t-shirt. It was just a regular t-shirt, nothing too special about it. So the buyer bundled it and offered $16 for the 2 t-shirts, and of course I accepted, and that left me with about a $12 profit on that sale. Okay, so the next bundle, I lost out big time, but I did have all of this inventory sitting for almost a year. So I did start playing around with Poshmark about a year ago, so maybe 9 months ago I had gotten most of this inventory. But yeah, I lost out big time. The first thing that's in this bundle is a vintage Guess wool trench coat. I have had this listed in my closet for, like I said, about 8 to 9 months for $100. It has not moved. It has not been liked. I tried relisting, I tried offering, all of that. Just no attention, no likes, nothing. I paid $25 for this at Goodwill. It was one of my first times actually thrifting for the purpose of resale. So I didn't really do too well of a job that first haul. Actually, I don't think I've sold anything from that first haul, and that's okay. You live and you learn, you do your research, you watch YouTube, and you go on the app and you look at what has recently sold. So that I had bought for $25. The next thing was this Nautica like boat plaid dress, and I had bought that for about $2, so it's not too bad. Just because of the trench coat is why I lost out on this bundle. Then I have another wholesale sample of a velvet two-piece. It was very cheap, very like just not worth what I was trying to sell it for, not worth the price that I bought the sample for. So I just let it go. I was happy to see that someone wanted to take it, and very happy to see that item go. And then the last item in this bundle was a tank top, an MTV tank top that I purchased for $2. And I bought that in the Newark downtown area. I live in Newark. I like to source downtown occasionally because we do have stores over here that buy wholesale from larger stores such as Forever 21, Charleroi. So sometimes I'll buy their like 99-cent deals and I'll make a good flip on those off of Mercari or Poshmark sometimes. So I purchased that for $2 as well. So altogether, I paid about $35 for all of these items. They were all a loss. Somebody had offered $25 for this bundle, and I accepted it because I was happy to make the room in my inventory. And the next and final item that I sold, not really this weekend, I just sold it this morning, but I thought I would include it because it was a really cool sale and a really cool find. So I found these vintage Victoria's Secret satiny shorts, and they had this very like vintagey brown gold detailing on it. You could tell that they were either from the 80s or 90s. I found them from the Salvation Army, again for $1 on 50% off day, and someone had offered me $14 for them, and I quickly accepted it. That gave me $11 minus the $1 cost of items, so that left me with a $10 profit. It was a pretty quick flip because I had just listed those a couple days ago, so I'm pretty happy with that sale as well. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for checking out my sales. My Poshmark is growing. So this weekend I made about $150. Not too bad, not too great. And yeah, so I'm excited to keep going with my Poshmark closet. I'm excited to keep filming and showing you guys what it is that I sell and what it is that I do. So if you like this type of content, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm going to start uploading a lot more than once every 3 or 4 months. So yeah, if you like my channel or if you just like listening to me talk, just subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.